Another functionality of our adaptive camera is its capability to enhance footage. On the left, we can see the brightness histograms of original and enhanced images. Above, we can see the mean brightness of the original and enhanced image with our new adaptive brightness technique. I will now change the lighting conditions in the room and we'll see how this affects our mean brightness. I can control the lighting conditions in the room with this app. Let's see how different lighting conditions affect our mean brightness. As you can see, the enhanced image adapts its brightness to changing lighting conditions by compensating for the loss of light. We can also control the level of image enhancement with the sliding bar.